Ignite your English. Understanding, ignite joy. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a very exciting topic to cover. The phrase, ignite joy. We'll break down the meaning of these words, how they work together, and how you can use the phrase in your daily English conversations to sound like a native speaker. So, let's light up our learning and get started. Ignite is a verb that means to set something on fire or to cause a fire to start. It can be used literally, like igniting a candle, or metaphorically, to describe starting a process or stirring up an emotion. Joy, on the other hand, is a noun that refers to a feeling of great pleasure and happiness. When we put them together, ignite joy means to cause happiness to start or grow in oneself or others. It's often used to describe actions, experiences, or moments that bring about a strong feeling of happiness, almost as if it's lighting up inside you. You can use ignite joy in a variety of contexts. For example, 1. Personal experiences. Hearing her laughter ignites joy in me. 2. Activities. This festival is all about igniting joy through music and dance. 3. Encouraging others. With your donations, we can ignite joy in the hearts of those in need. By using this phrase, you can convey a powerful and vivid picture of happiness that spreads and affects people deeply and positively. In books, movies, and speeches, ignite joy can be used to inspire and motivate audiences. Characters might seek to ignite joy after times of hardship, or a speaker may encourage listeners to ignite joy in their communities by engaging in altruistic acts. Let's practice using ignite joy together. I'll give you some sentences, and you can try to fill in the blanks with the phrase, ignite joy, or create your own sentences. When I volunteer at the animal shelter, I feel like I blank. My grandmother's stories from her childhood always blank in our family. That's it for our lesson on ignite joy. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that it has ignited joy in your language learning journey. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar. It's about the expressions and emotions that connect us all. Keep practicing, and you'll be able to share your joy with others in English in no time. See you in the next video.